told her she has a way of turning sunshine into rain. I've got on that shirt she hates, I just know that face she'll make, even though it hurts, she's my favorite pain. She never drives her car, she drives me crazy.
Good morning, fellow Salt Hawks. Today for lunch we are having mac and cheese, seasoned peas, baby carrots, peaches, and a hot roll. Song category. Song titles that are sounds. Now to the weather with James.
Thanks, Sam. This afternoon will be cloudy and cool with a chance of light rain. Temperatures high is around 60. The temperature should drop to the 50s around 9 p.m. overnight. Will be mostly cloudy with showers ending. Now back to you, Sam.
Thanks, James. Stop by the administration's booth during Diversity Day and say the Al Guru and get a free ice cream and a t-shirt. You can do it solo or with a group. Spirit Stick also up for grabs. It goes to the class with the most members that stop by and say the Al Guru. Hope to see you Wednesday. Now an important announcement from Levi Jackson. December 24th, I was diagnosed with leukemia and recently received a stem cell transplant. On day 28 after the transplant, I found out that I have no leukemia found in my cells, and my donor took 100% over my bone marrow. During this time, I needed blood several times throughout my treatment. Thanks to people out there that donated and will donate on May 8th. May 8th is Hutch High's Spring Blood Drive. We're dedicating this blood drive to Levi Jackson. Many seniors and teachers were able to earlier this month do a bone marrow swab for Levi. The blood drive is open to any student or staff 16 years old and older to support blood donations in Levi's name. We have a goal of 108 units of blood. Donate, please sign up and help us reach our goal and show your support for Levi. Sports today. Today's varsity golf is at Topeka. JV golf is at Derby. JV track is at Salina Central. C-team baseball is at Derby. JV varsity baseball is here versus Goddard. Have a great day, Salt Hawks.
Drop it. It's okay to say that we expect. It's Hoodie Allen. What up, Marina? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford. But these Greek ladies loving me, they saying he's foreign. Floored them, glued the crowd down by they bootstrap. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to